term biology was coined by Lamarck. The term biology was coined by Lamarck. The term species was coined by John Ray. The term species was coined by John Ray. Father of biology, Aristotle. Aristotle is known as the father of biology. Father of zoology, Aristotle. Father of zoology, Aristotle. Father of botany, Theophrastus. Father of botany, Theophrastus. Father of modern botany, Carl Linnaeus. Father of modern botany, Carl Linnaeus. Father of Indian botany, William Roxburgh. Father of Indian botany, William Roxburgh. The scientist who discovered that the body of the plant is made up of cells, M.J. Schleiden. The scientist who discovered that the body of the plant is made up of cells is M.J. Schleiden. The scientist who discovered that the body of animals is made up of cells, Theodor Schwann. The scientist who discovered that the body of the animal is made up of cells, Theodor Schwann. Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Structural and functional unit of life, cell. Structural and functional unit of life is cell. Study of cells, cytology. Study of cells, cytology. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. A group of cells form a tissue. A group of cells form a tissue. Study of tissues, histology. Study of tissues, histology. Scientists who formulated the cell theory, M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. The scientists who formulated the cell theory, M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. The word cell was derived from the Latin word cellula. The word cell was derived from the Latin word cellula, meaning small room. The Latin word cellula means small room. Scientists who suggest that all new cells are derived from the pre-existing cells by division, Rudolf Virchow. The scientists who suggested that all new cells are derived from pre-existing cells by division, Rudolf Virchow. Outermost covering of a plant cell is made up of cell wall. Outermost covering of an animal cell is made up of cell membrane. Outermost covering of a plant cell is made up of cell wall, but the outermost covering of an animal cell is made up of cell membrane. Cell wall is hardest and undigestible sugar absent in animal cells. Cell wall is hardest and undigestible sugar absent in animal cells. Cell wall is hardest and undigestible sugar absent in animal cells. Cell wall is hardest and undigestible sugar absent in animal cells. Cell with a nucleus is called eukaryotic cells. Cell with a nucleus is called eukaryotic cell. Cell organelle which converts oxygen and nutrients into energy, mitochondria. Cell organelle which convert oxygen and nutrients into energy, mitochondria. Powerhouse of a cell, mitochondria. Powerhouse of a cell, mitochondria. In mitochondria, energy is stored in the form of ATP. In mitochondria, energy is stored in the form of ATP. Skeletal system of a cell is Golgi bodies. Skeletal system of a cell, Golgi bodies. Genetic material of a cell, DNA. Genetic material of a cell, DNA. Brain of the cell, nucleus. Skeletal system of the cell, Golgi bodies. Skeletal system of the cell, Golgi bodies. Genetic material of the cell, DNA. Genetic material of the cell, DNA. Brain of the cell, nucleus. Brain of the cell is nucleus. Kitchen of the cell, chloroplast. Kitchen of the cell is chloroplast. Largest cell, egg of ostrich. Largest cell, egg of ostrich. Smallest cell, mycoplasma. Smallest cell, mycoplasma. Largest cell in human body, ovum. Largest cell in human body, ovum. Smallest cell in human body, sperm. Smallest cell in human body, sperm. Longest cell in human body, neuron. Longest cell in human body, neuron. Energy currency of a cell, ATP. Energy currency of a cell, ATP. Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondria. Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondria. Cell organelle which helps in protein synthesis, ribosome. Cell organelle which help in protein synthesis, ribosome. Suicidal bags in cells, lysosome. Suicidal bags in cells, lysosome. Largest number of cells in human body, red blood cells. Largest number of cells in human body, red blood cells or RBC. Blood cell having longest lifespan in human, red blood cells. Blood cell having longest lifespan in human, red blood cells. Enzyme present in lysosome, hydrolytic enzyme. Enzyme present in lysosome, hydrolytic enzyme. Secretory of the cell, Golgi complex. Secretory of the cell, Golgi complex. മത്സര പരീക്ഷകളിലെ ഉന്നത വിജയത്തിനായി ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യൂ. ഒപ്പം പുതിയ ടോപ്പിക്കുകൾ തത്സമയം അറിയാൻ ബെൽ ഐക്കണും അമർത്തൂ.